Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Volkswagen Beetle. First, take a moment to get comfortable with the car's layout. Locate the 3 pedals on the floor, the clutch on the left, the brake in the middle, and the accelerator on the right. Adjust your seat so you can comfortably reach all pedals and the steering wheel. Ensure your mirrors provide a clear view of your surroundings. Finally, insert the key into the ignition and turn it to start the engine, listening for it to hum to life. Once the engine is running, it's time to engage a gear. Fully depress the clutch pedal with your left foot. With your right hand, move the gear stick into first gear, which is usually up and to the left. Now, slowly and smoothly begin to release the clutch pedal while simultaneously applying a small amount of pressure to the accelerator with your right foot. This coordinated movement will get the car moving forward without stalling. As you gain speed, remember to shift into higher gears to maintain engine efficiency and a comfortable ride. When approaching a turn, ease off the accelerator and gently apply the brake before steering into the curve. Always look ahead and anticipate traffic conditions, maintaining a safe following distance from the car in front of you. Smooth and deliberate movements are key to a pleasant driving experience in your Beetle. Parking a Beetle is straightforward, but practicing parallel parking in an empty lot can build your confidence. Remember to use your mirrors and take your time. For ongoing care, routinely check your tire pressure and essential fluid levels to keep your Beetle running smoothly. And speaking of smooth, if you're looking to make your daily routine easier, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.